Hey, I was gifted this chore chart from Hadley Designs to kind of give you a review of it, and we are loving it so far. This chore chart has daily chores and also weekly chores. It comes with all the different columns and a place to mark off whether your little one has completed those chores, and then a column for the points at the end of the week. It also comes with this dry erase marker, which comes with a little eraser at the end as well. Just kind of pop that off and just works just fine. Also, I like that it is magnetized. It's got a little magnet here so that you can just kind of put that on there for your little one to use. But yeah, we're really liking it so far, and I can't wait to kind of implement it a little bit more. But we just got this, and I hope you like it as well. Thank you.